Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about GRE configuration. So generic routing encapsulation, and we're going to configure it, and we have a set of routers now, and router 1 and router 5, we are considering router 1 and router 5 are from same group, so we will provide a tunnel IP, for example. And as we discuss about the concept video, what we need to do, so we're just providing the IP in the tunnel, for example 100.100.100.1 and then 100.100.100.2. Now these two IPs are in the same range. We already configure ping commands so that our communication with the end router is okay. Now we enable routing in all the routers, so that our communication will be these are the working model, so we enable routing before to configure GRE. So let me go to configuration terminal and show IP. Let me go to our privilege mode, show IP route. So we configure RIP here. You can configure any routing protocol. We just require our working network so that our packets were able to travel from router to router. So we require that. Our biggest requirement is the communication. So interfaces, tunnel, and if you question mark, you can create a tunnel from 0 to this much value. So I'm just added 1. So for example, interface tunnel 1, and the IP address of the tunnel, so as per our IP we just configured, so 100.100.1, and the range, so class A is 255.0.0.0. if you did subnetting, you can add subnet from there. Now tunnel source, now source of the tunnel will be serial interface from where the packets will move. So obviously it stands once, serial 0/3/0 from where packets will travel. That's the thing. The travel of the packets is the source. So our source will be the interface we are accessing. Interface we are getting the gateway to move a packet. So it's obviously tense one. So 0/3/0. So the interface value, hit enter, and all done. Okay, so what we require now is the tunnel destination, and the destination IP will be 42 because there was the path where our packets should follow. It's 42. All done, and our configurations is done in the router 1. Now we have to go to router 4. So same configuration will be done like router 1, and these are the ISPs router 2, 3, 4 respectively. Router 5, so configuration terminal, same, we have to create a tunnel. Just provide a same range called, just wants to give a number 1, and then IP address of the tunnel, so 100.100.100.1 or 2. 1 is already given, and these are the private IP. We are configuring it as private IP. So okay, so for example, if we did a subnetting, we can add a mask there. So 255.555.550, it doesn't matter. You can add mask of your own. if that way something happening. So we can give or you can even give a more comment. So okay, so what we did do is tunnel source. The source is 0/3/1, and then the tunnel destination will be 10s1. Okay, question mark. Now all done, and currently you can see show IP interface brief. So we just created we just configured 0/3/1 and tunnel 1 on or up. So what we need to do is we need to ping with 100.100. Sorry, we hit it enter by mistake. That's reasons now start broadcasting. Okay, let me do that testing here. Ping.100.100.100.2 and success rate 100%. 5 out of 5 packets were sending successfully. We'll keep on translating. It took some time, so let me make sure configuration should happen here. So show tunnel, and this is the show command to see the tunnel. Show interfaces tunnel and the value of the tunnel. So you can see that is up internet address of tunnel and the reliability, transition load, next load, tunnel source, destination, bandwidth, and all that information regarding that interface, the tunnel interface. If I use trace routing then until 40.2, then you can find that currently we have 4 hops from where our packets are moving. But if I use the same trace route command on 100.100.100.2, then you can see that only 1 hop, and that is directly to our packets are directly reaching 200.100.100.2. So this is what we learned about the concept video. Now you can see that we're currently pinging with the 100.100.100.1, and similarly we are now you can see the show command of show interface tunnel value, and you can see that it's up the internet address and all the values were now tunnel source, destination, all that. So trace route, and for example we want to see the checking for checking purpose trace route. You can see that even from router 5 to router 1 hops are 4, but when we tries to tracing the route of 100.100.100.1, then you can find out that only 1 address is there, only 1 hop is there to send our packets. So both router 1 and router 5 is considering ourselves as local routers, and the packets are moving from local, looks like the packets were moving to local router. Remember one thing, that the configuration of GRE in packet tracer will only be possible in 2911 series router. Remember, if your router having 2811 series up to 2811 series, then just consider our packet tracer old and update that. 2911 is